Hello, everybody. Thanks to join this webinar regarding TDMS Pro, our latest software platform for the testing of protection relays. The architecture is based on 4 main pillars. The first one of the most important, is regarding the relay settings. Is a software dedicated to the management of the setting file that is possible to export from every relay manufacturer. This file can be imported into the platform, and automatically all the parameters are displayed in the most convenient shape. Then there is a possibility to make the configuration of the test set. Our test set is called DRTS. With this software, it's possible to adapt the hardware configuration to the test you are going to do. All the software modules, there is one software for each protected function, can be combined into a test plan thanks to the test plan editor. In this way, it's possible to collect all the results in a single test report. Once you have your report, through the report manager, it's possible to customize the tables present in the pages. You can add and remove information as you wish. One important aspect of the Relay Setting Manager is that it's possible to import the setting file directly in their native format. For example, RIO, XRIO, XML, TXT, CSV. It's very convenient because you don't need to find third-party software to do any kind of conversion. You can import as it is exported from the software of each and every manufacturer. In case you don't have a file, or you don't want to import a file, there is a list of dedicated templates that give you the possibility to input manually all the parameters. The DRTS configurator, as I told you before, gives you the possibility to adapt the hardware present in your DRTS in order to define the best configuration for your test. Configuration like the GPS, you can enable the GPS, you can set the time of the test that you want to start. You can decide how many binary input and output you want to use. You can decide the output configuration. For example, if you want to connect in parallel the current generator. Everything is possible to be done here in the DRTS configurator. The test plan editor gives the possibility to create a sequence of tests by recalling every software module dedicated to a specific protecting function. This is specifically designed for multifunction relays. The relay can be complex, can have inside 2 or 3 different protecting functions. So it is very useful to have a test plan editor in order to program all your tests, and in the end have a single report with all your results inside. The report can be customized, and in the end can be exported into PDF or Microsoft Office format. In TDMS Pro, we introduced the concept of license. There are two types of license, the standard and the advanced. In this picture, you can see what are the test modules included in standard and what is included in advanced. I have to say that the advanced one has inside all the software modules. There is this difference because we decided to give the possibility for a price reduction in case the user is not interested to use all the software module. To make an example, if you are an operator that works in medium voltage grid, and most probably you will never have to test distance protection or differential protection or you will never have to take care about the IC 650 protocol, then what you can do is to ask for the standard license. Then you can ask a price reduction, so you will not pay for software that you will never use. The license is based on the serial number of the set, and this license can be imported in multiple computers. So the same license can be used in any number of computer. So there is no limitation from this point of view. I say once again, we introduced the license not to add the cost to our devices, but to give a possibility to reduce the cost in case you don't need all the software modules. TDMS Pro can work with the model DRTS 33, 34, 64, and 66. This means that cannot be used with the previous version of the DRTS. This means DRTS, DRTS 3, 3 Plus, and 6. This cannot work with TDMS Pro. These models, the older models, must be used with the previous platform that will be available also in the future. We are not dismissing the previous platform. And the two platforms, TDMS Pro and the previous one, can be installed together in the same computer. So they do not overlap, they can stay installed together. My name is Simone Meneghin. I'm a sales regional area manager. These are my contacts. Here you can find my email, my phone number, and my LinkedIn profile.